Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am ready with my arrangement which I have shown it in my previous video. Now I am drawing 5 lines in which each line represents each thread on the strip, and I am going to write the alphabets in the block letters. The next 5 letters which is in continuation with my previous video. Now it's done. Now let's get into the keychain making. So let's begin with identifying the positions for alphabet K. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4 positions. Now next, for each position we have to identify the point of contact. In the first position we have all the 5 points in contact. In the second position we have the third line. In the third, second and fourth, and in the fourth position we have 1 and 5. Now let's follow the same dots pattern on the plastic strip. So in the first position we have all the 5 points, which means all the 5 threads have to be kept away. And now roll the thread twice, hold it and put them back in the places. In the second position we have only the third thread, so the third thread should be away. Now roll it once. See, whenever there is a curve or a straight line, we have to roll that particular thread only once. So here we have 2, 3, 4 lines which they have to be rolled only one time. I am representing them with a 1 above the number. So in the third position again we have the second and the fourth threads. So taking those 2 away, and as it is a slanting line, we have to roll it only once. Right, put them back, and coming to the fourth position we have 1 and 5. So taking the green and violet threads away, and remaining threads put them in places. Roll it once. Now put all the threads back to the strip and generate the letter space. Letter K is completed now. If there is any adjustments, just make them. Now let's see how to make the alphabet L. Identifying the positions, we have 1, 2 and 3 positions. The curve in the last position can be eliminated, it's not mandatory. Now in the first position we have all the 5 points, and in the second position we have only the 5th one, and in the third position we have 4 and 5. Now let's make it on the strip. And first we have all the 5, so take all the 5 threads away, roll it twice, hold it and put all the threads back. Second position we have the 5th point in contact, so taking away the 5th thread and again roll it twice. And the third position again it's a curve, so take out the 4th thread as well and roll it once. Put the threads back in place. Create a letter space and your alphabet L is ready now. Moving on, let's make alphabet M. Identifying its positions, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 positions. In the first position we have all the 5 points in contact. In the second we have 1, in third 1, 2, 3, in fourth 1, and in the fifth again all the 5. If we roll twice for whole alphabet, the letter will look too big. So for positions 2 and 4 we are going to roll only one time. In the first position we have all the 5, so take all the 5 threads away and roll it twice, hold it and put them back in place. In second position we have the first thread in contact, so taking out the green color thread away and rolling it once. Now in the third position we have first 3 points in contact, so taking away the 3 threads away and rolling it twice. Hold it and put the threads back. In the fourth position again we have the first point, so take the first thread away and roll it once. And in the last position we have all the 5, so taking away all the 5, roll it twice, hold, put the threads back and give the letter space. Letter M is ready now. Now moving on to next alphabet, letter N. For N, again we'll have 5 positions as shown. For the first position, we have all the 5 points in contact. In second position, we have first. In third position, again we have all the 5. In fourth position, we have the 5th thread. And in the fifth position, again we have all the 5. So making this on the strip. Now starting from the first, we have all the 5 points, which means all the 5 threads away. Roll it twice and hold it. In the second position, we have the first point in contact. Yeah, same like in M, the positions 2 and 4 should be rolled only once. So taking away the green thread and rolling it once. And in the third position we have all the 5, so taking away all the 5 threads, rolling it twice and hold. Take the threads back. And in the fourth position we have the 5th point, so taking away violet color, roll it once, hold. And again in the 5th position we have all the 5, so take all the 5 threads away and roll it twice, which completes your alphabet N. Put all the 5 threads back in place and give the letter space. Your letter N is ready. Now the last letter O. So we have 3 positions for alphabet O, and identifying the notes is very easy. First position we have all the 5. In second position we have 1 and 5. And in the third position again we have all the 5. Now making this on the strip. As in the first position we have all the 5 dots pointed, taking away 5 threads, rolling it twice, put them back in place. In the second position we have 1 and 5, so taking away the green and violet threads away and again rolling it twice, hold it. And in the third position again we have all the 5, so taking away the remaining 3 also, roll it twice and hold, put all the threads back in place. Now give the letter space, which completes your alphabet O. Thank you for watching, guys. See you all in the next video with the next 5 alphabets. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Who can nots?